Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and don't forget to share this video. So today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this headband, this padded headband with hairband. So guys, get ready with me. All you have to do is watch the video step by step. Thank you all. So material needed, we need our foam, we need our fabric, we need our alice band, we need our glue gun, we need our stone, needle and thread. So guys, let's get started.
You go and can't, without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. What you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.